Hi students. See, first of all, yesterday we seen in last lesson we seen voice two ways. First is a active voice, second is a passive voice. Then what is the structure of active voice? As VO pattern means as subject, be, verb, and O object. Then how to convert into a passive voice? That also we see. First of all, object begins with object. You can start a passive voice. Second thing is most important students, helping verb means am, is, are, was, were, am, otherwise shall, be, should, would. This is all examples of helping verb. Then after past participle, you can say in short of past participle PP. Then next by preposition, and then next last subject means first object, then helping verb, then past participle, then by, and then subject second form. So this is 5 things most important in a passive voice. Yesterday we see that all just like I write a letter, means a letter is written by me. These 5 things you involved in a passive voice. Then today we will see how to convert that type of sentences. Okay, this is very easy students. So only and only you some rules you should be followed. See, which is the rules. See, first of all I had eaten a mango. First of all, as usual, you find out object first. Then which is the object? I had eaten a mango. Correct. A mango. A mango is a object. So want to begin. A mango. Then as it is had, you copy down. Had, and whenever perfect tense given, just like a eaten, gone, that type of verb you used in that time we can after had been form used, B double E and B double E and been, this form you can use students. So first of all subject, the object, then after had, then after been, and then PP form actually here already given. So that as it is you copy down eaten by preposition and subject are, so that's by second form of I, me. So first of all see students, first object want to take, then after had, then been, then PP form of verb, then by, and then after I second form means me. If he given means him, if she given means her, if they given means they. Next, I shall eat a mango. Now see here future tense used. So here first of all you find out the object. Then which is the object? See, a mango. So begins with a mango, you can start. A mango, as usual, as it is you write shall, be. This is also most important students. Whenever shall, will is all I written here. Shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, need used to. Whenever you see this all in the active voice, as it is students copy down in the passive voice, and after this you use be, B-E-B-D form. If continued tense means ing form means being, you already used students. And then after perfect tense, in that time you can use be. And if that type of model auxiliary when you used just like a shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, need used to, after these when you sing in an active voice, at that time after this you want to use be, see, and then after automatically eat past participle form means eaten, then by preposition, and then after automatically me. So first of all you want to find out the object a mango, shall as it is, then after be, because here all our rule shall, will, should, would, may, might, must, need used to whenever you see these words in the active voice, at the time first as it is copied down, and then after be form you can use BEP, then PP, then by, then after I second form means me. Okay. So now see one different example I used here, that is a see. Now we bought her a doll. Here object, two types of object students given. First of all direct object and indirect object. Then how to identify which is direct and which is indirect term? See, a doll. This is also and this is also object term. Then which is the direct and which is the indirect term? Which thing you got? Automatically a doll. So this is a direct term, object term. So this is a direct object term. Automatically, see first is which thing you got? A doll. Means this a doll is a direct object term. And which is the indirectly? To whom you bought? To whom bought a doll? This is a indirect term. Means indirectly we are giving these things. So indirectly object her, him, them. This is all example of indirect object term. So this is a direct, which thing you are giving, which thing you are bought, which thing you give or which thing you return. That all answers as a direct object. And indirect object means which to whom you are giving, to whom you are writing. That which I have answered, that called the indirect object. So as in this way you can find out which is indirect and which is the direct. Now next. Then how to convert into a passive voice? That is also students one question. See, it is very easy. Either you can start with begins with direct object, otherwise indirect object. First of all, we will see through begins with direct object. Then which is the direct object? A doll. A doll. Then bought. Which tense used here? Simple past tense. Then in past tense, which to be form you can use was or were. Then here a doll. This is a singular. So that's why after singular form you want to use here was. Then buy, bought. Okay. So that's why past participle of bought, automatically that it is copied down. Then bought by preposition. Then after be, us. Because here we used here I used so we used me. Here we in the passive, in the active voice. So want to use us. So first of all, see with direct object you start. A doll was, because here bought. This is the past form of verb. So was bought by preposition and us. Now see indirect object with begins indirect object. Her here given. So that's why what is the first form of her? Her, she. So begins with she, you want to start. She, then after was, as usual, bought, correct, past participle, and by, and then after here we given. Then what is the second form of we? Us. Only little changed through direct object or indirect object. That is to fade to convert into a passive voice. Either you can begin with direct object, otherwise indirect object. See, what is the answer? A doll was bought by us. That is one begins with direct object, and here second way through indirect object. Indirect first of all convert into a first subject. First of all, she was, because here bought given. She was bought by us. Each and everything I think that all you understood, each and everybody. Thank you.